Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to TK Rev Studio today. We have RØDE StreamerX audio interface and video capture mixing board, and RØDE NTH-100M professional over-the-ear head. Exciting unbox and review it. Don't forget to subscribe for my future tech reviews and unboxings. Alright, let's get into this unboxing. Let's talk specs. Professional audio interface, video capture card and control surface integrated in one compact, easy-to-use device. Up to 4K 3.0 video capture and 4K 6.0 pass-through via HDMI. Variable refresh rate VRR support. Combo jack. Neutral combo jack for connecting XLR microphones or instruments. With an ultra-low noise, high-gain revolution preamp for pristine audio quality. 3.5mm TRRS input for connecting headsets and 1/4-inch headphone output for zero latency monitoring. Integrated wireless receiver for connecting RØDE series for wireless microphones, including the Wireless Pro, Wireless Go 2 and Wireless Me. Internal DSP for advanced audio processing powered by FX. Customizable for fully customizable smart pads for triggering sounds, voice effects and MIDI commands. Dual USB-C interfaces for connecting to computers or consoles. Easy configuration and control via RØDE Central Desktop Companion app. Unify, compatible with free Unify streaming software for advanced audio routing, mixing and configuration. Price for $100. I'll link in the description if you guys want to pick this up for yourselves. and voice controlling COD players. Make sure you guys subscribe and like the video for more contact. Like this.
That guy sucks. That guy sucks. That guy sucks. That guy sucks. That guy sucks.
Crazy, crazy. Killed them all. Dude's playing on his TV at him. Mute him. That's crazy. That's crazy. Killed them all. That's crazy. That's crazy. Killed them all. That is weird for recording my voice.
Good night, nigga. Flip it.
He came.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Did he say clip it?
It's just losing the guy. This guy is a rat. What the fuck is this? Definitely ratted up in some corner. He was not pushing that. He was definitely ratted up in some corner. He was not pushing that.
1 minute remaining.
No, he got me.
I already got him, Tom. He was definitely ratted. I already got him. He was not pushing
Bro,
that.
I get you, but I just died, so my camera didn't switch.
He was definitely ratted up in some corner. He was not pushing that. What corner, bro? He was definitely ratted up in some corner. What corner? He was not pushing that. This boy's rat. These kids play so weird. Some corner. He was not pushing that. Bro, why do you only have 4 kills? And your heart's open your off. Like, look at this. He was definitely ratted up in some sad. He was sad pushing that. He was definitely ratted up in some corner. He was not pushing that.
Oh my god.
Well, you were definitely ratted up against some fence, but then I got you.
I don't know, bro.
Very easily.
Half the game,
Very easy.
in the gas station.
Oh my god, I hit a fucking clip! 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 Oh man, hit a fucking clip! Hey bro, just marry me, bro. I love using my voice.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Countdown start.
Recording
Oh no.
speakers.
That was quick with it.
Not enjoying myself.
That was quick with it. Bobby, leave me alone.
Dick.
Hit a
Big old dick.
God, I hit him.
Who the hell is screaming in the club right now? Alright. Yeah, bro, they fucking charging my ass. Who the hell is screaming in the club right now? Who the hell is screaming in the club right now? Who the hell is screaming in the club right now? Who the hell is Bobby, you know we can hear you, right? Okay. You don't gotta... Who the hell is...
It was my fault. I could have killed them, but I was on the phone. That one was my fault.
I could have killed them, but I was on the phone. I could have killed them, but I was on the phone. That one was my fault. Good. You really put me in weak as f***. That one was my fault. I thought that was him talking the whole time, but I was on the phone. That one was my fault. I don't know, that sounds sexy.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No, it was my fault. I could have killed him. That was my fault. I could have.
The unboxing and review if you like this video. Comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.